Hey beloved, we're on our journey to better. Join me for this easy, no-fail recipe that's also a healthier choice. In a warm skillet, saute your chopped squash, zucchini, and red onion in your oil of choice. Squeeze in as much garlic as desired. Season to taste. Saute over medium heat until the veggies are translucent, but don't cook them too long. We don't want to cook all the nutrients out. Now remove from the pan and set aside for later. In the same pan, saute your plant-based ground sausage. Once it's been thoroughly cooked, we're going to add all of the components together. The pasta, which we cooked according to the box, the sausage, and the vegetables, and the sauce. Top it with your shredded vegan cheese, and there we have it, y'all. Dinner in less than 30. It's not only good, but it's good for you. It's gonna be yum, y'all.